What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW. And today we're going to go over a trade recap as well as an extremely important lesson in trading. All right, guys, before we jump into this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. I have a big goal this year. I want to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year. Every time you subscribe, it lets me know that you're interested in the content, you like what you see, and, it really lets me know that I need to continue making the same kind of content and content surrounding the ideas. Picked up I think like 10 extra subs last week, and that was awesome, man. I was really pumped up about that, and I love it when you guys comment in the comment section. I love talking with you guys. It's always fun. So make sure you drop those comments down there, and let's jump into this this cluster of a trading morning that I have had. Today is a break-even day. I do have one live trade for you here. It's just a cluster for me, guys. For some reason this morning I am having major user error, and it all started this morning when Comcast internet, Xfinity internet was down. Then my guy came over to watch the boat, and ever since then, I've just been rushing, and it's messed with my mind. I haven't had a clear mind this morning for trading, and it's caused me to do click wrong buttons. Honestly, that's what has happened here. That's exactly what's happened here. I've clicked wrong buttons. It's not that I've entered the stock incorrectly. It's not that I've exited incorrectly. It's that I've clicked the wrong buttons at the wrong times because my mind isn't clear. I'm not clear-minded as far as trading goes right now. Hell, I just had to reshoot a quarter of this video because I didn't have my webcam up. So I'm telling you guys, this morning has not been kind to me. Nonetheless, it's a break-even day. It's a wash of a day. My first trade was on what was it, on ZKIN. I didn't even click the record button. I got into the stock around the 220s. I was looking to sell on a break of the 200-day moving average. We had volume increasing. I put a hard stop out, and when I put that hard stop out, I didn't click stop on quote. I clicked what is it? Stop at close or market out at close. Why? I've never used that. Why did I do that? I don't know. I thought I saw stop on quote, like you see. Where is it? Can you see it? Yep, you can see right there. Stop on quote, and it caused me to lose $50. It was not fun. I did not like that experience because it shouldn't have gotten that bad. It should have been a minute, tiny nothing of a loss, basically break even, and it turned out to be a $50 loss, which sucks. I don't mind losing when I'm wrong. I absolutely hate losing on a technical glitch, whether it's my part, a user error, or the platform's fault. In this case, it was my fault. Tried to regroup. I got in JMIA. I got in there at a cost basis of 48.04 right here on VWAP on this candle right here on this candle. And I thought to myself, we're going to get this 90 MA crossing over. We're going to push this stock up to $50. So initially I wanted to sell like 50 shares up $1 and then hold on to the other 50 shares for that $50 test. But that was also a cluster. It's a green trade, brings me back to break even on the day, but not happy. So I'm in this thing here, 100 shares, 48.04. I did not want to buy more than 100 shares. I could have. I did not want to because the range this thing has on these drops. The drops are much stronger for some reason than these pops today as far as a single candle goes. And I didn't want to have any mishaps. So 100 shares, kept it nice and simple there. You can see I'm in there, 100 shares right now, 48.04. Stocks floating around 48.10, $48. I did set out a hard stop. There we have a nice little pop right there. Let's see if you can see that again. It will have a nice little pop up right there. You'll see. It'll hit right over $48. For a second there, I was up over $100. That's nice. So I think to myself that I'm going to sell half. First of all, I don't even put 50 on here. I leave it at 100. Okay? I don't sell there. We have all of this going on. Then here, right? I think to myself, I'm going to put out a limit order. Once I see us break or get near that 49 area, I'm going to put out a limit order and sell. You can see here it says 49.15. I think I changed that coming up here. Yes, there, we changed it. $49, okay? I put it at 49 bucks. And then I switch back to market. I don't know why I do that, why I did that in this case. I don't know why I did that. Because I'm telling you, you have to trade on a clear mind. We let this play out, play out, play out. We start to get closer to that $49 area. I start getting ready in my mind to sell, as soon as we get there. Look what I do. Look at this. I don't know what I was doing over there. I'm looking, I'm gauging, I'm gauging out here my 9 EMA. So 47.25 is going to be my stop area. So I'm thinking that I have that set there as my stop, okay? And I still don't have this on limit. I still did not change this to limit order. 49.15, I clicked sell, but it was too late. I had marketed order out at, I don't know, like 49.70. You can see it here, 49.60, something like that. Oh yeah, look, you can see it right here. Can you see it? Yep, 48.60. That's where I got filled because I didn't put this on freaking limit and I left it on market, guys. You have to trade with a clear mind. Don't trade with a clear mind, you get stuck. I would have made real nice profit on this trade, and today wouldn't be a scratch day. It would be a decent profit day. But I didn't have my mind clear. Let this be a lesson to all of us. If we sit down and our mind does not feel clear, we're not focused, don't even trade. Don't even trade. It's not even worth it. Let me show you what happened to JMIA right after I sold. So I'm glad I'm out, right? I'm glad I'm out, and I'm glad I got out with profit and brought my day back to break even. But we made the push, right? We pulled back. I was in here in this consolidation. I sold in this push. Look at this candle from 48.76 to 45.52. That's a nasty candle to be getting caught in. So I am super glad I got out of that already. But damn, that could have been a nice over $100 trade. But I just didn't have a clear mind, guys. We got to have clear mind. When we sit down and trade, our mind has to be clear. We have to be focused on nothing else but the chart in front of us. Otherwise, things like this happen. And I thank God that it's coming out to a good day and not a bad day, because this could have been a bad day. I could have gotten caught in a nasty candle thinking that I clicked the right button to stop out and I didn't, and I'm still in it, and all of a sudden I'm down, $3 a share. Clear minds, guys. Let that be the lesson. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, smash that like button. Let me know what you traded today. Drop it in the comment section below. Let's talk about it, and I'll catch you on the next one.